How to make the law of attraction work faster for you. You have probably heard of the law of attraction. You know that what you visualize will come to reality. This video shows you how you can materialize faster and more efficiently what you visualize. I will be as straight to the point as possible. There are 4 factors that determine how fast you will attract into your life what you visualize. 1. Number 1 is vividness. The more clear the picture is, in your mind, the more likely it is that you will attract what you see in your mind's eye. You have to imagine in every detail what it is that you want. You have to put in bright colors, smells, sounds and the feel of textures. 2. Number 2 is time length. This is the amount of time you spend visualizing the desired outcome. You have to hold in your mind the picture of the desired outcome for as long time as possible. 3. Number 3 is frequency. This is how often you visualize the picture. The more, the better. I recommend a minimum of twice a day, first when you get up in the morning, second, just before you go to sleep. These are the times when the subconscious is the most sensitive to programming. 4. The 4th is intensity. This means that the more you are emotionally involved in the picture that you see, the faster it will come to reality. It is very important that you feel good about the outcome while you visualize. I wish success to all of you. If you are wanting to attract the things that your heart desires into your experience, there are things you first must know. Just as you must be made aware of the laws of society so that you may stay within their guidelines, so to avoid trouble, or lead a peaceful life because you have chosen to obey these man-made laws, it is with laws that govern this universe. Likes attract likes through their magnetic pulling powers, which is evident in every physical thing of the universe. If you are truly wanting physical things to appear in your time-space reality, and you want to use the law of attraction more effectively to ensure you get what you want, then it will be necessary for you to become a student of the law of attraction, for there is much to know. Learn how to make the law of attraction work for you. Check out Manifestation Magic today. Click the link in the description for details.